Now, students, see page number 21. India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals. Now, we have positive developments also. We have doctors, clinics, as well as the hospitals. The country also has a considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. The country means we have good experience as well as we have knowledge also. We can run public hospitals. Public hospital means government hospitals. Public healthcare system means government hospitals. Means our government can run smoothly and properly government hospitals. This is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. So what do you mean by what is meant by public healthcare system means? Underline and try to understand. This is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. It is called the public healthcare system. It has the ability to look after the health of a large section of its population. Now, it has means our country. India has a large number of doctors and hospitals. We have experience and knowledge. We are able to look after as well as to take care of our people. Large section of its population, we can say the scattered. Large section of its population scattered over hundreds of thousands of villages. Now the number of peoples, thousands number of peoples, large populations who scattered, who are living in a different villages as well as the towns and cities, etc. So we are able to take care. We will go into more detail on this later. Now we will see about this topic. We will see in next chapter in detail. Moreover, there has been a phenomenal means remarkable advancement in medical sciences. Now we can say that we have developed good development in the medical facilities, in medical science, whereby many new technologies and treatment procedures are available in the country. Medical facilities, good development, positive developments. So we have the new technologies, means we are using new technologies as well as the treatment procedures also. All are available in country. That is a good and positive developments. Now see this paragraph, this one. However, the second column points out, second column. So just listen and you can see the second column also. In the second column points out means here shows how poor the health situation in our country is. Now this is the another side of our country. One side positive, another side we can say the require. So poor health situation also in our country. With all the above positive developments, we are not able to provide proper health care facilities to people. We have good and positive developments, column number first. But we cannot, means our country, we cannot provide, we are unable to provide proper health care facilities to some people, those who are living in areas, different rural areas especially. This is the paradox. Paradox means a statement, a situation that may be true but seems to say two opposite things. positive or negative, both of them. Something that is contrary to what we would expect. Now students, what we have to do? Our country has the money, knowledge and people with experience, but cannot make the necessary health care available to all. If you see the first column, positive developments, but our country cannot provide proper facilities to all. In this chapter, we will look at some of the reasons for this. Why? So we have to find out some reasons in this chapter. Now here I am reading a story. This story. Try to understand this one also. Small story. This one. You can see the page number 21 from your textbook. The story of Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh was a member of the Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti. He was the member of Mazdoor Samiti, an organization of agricultural laborers in West Bengal. One evening, listen, try to understand also. One evening in 1992, he accidentally fell off a running train and suffered head injuries. He fell off from the train and suffered head injuries. He was injured. He was in very serious condition and needed immediate treatment. He needed treatment, immediate. He was taken to the government hospital in Kolkata, but they refused to admit him because they didn't have a spare bed. Government hospitals now refused to admit. Why? Because there is no space, no beds for treatment. Another hospital didn't have the facility or the specialized doctors necessary for his treatment. Another government hospital also refused to admit him because no proper facilities, no doctors available there. In this way, he spent 14 hours in a critical state, in a critical situation. He spent 14 hours and he was taken to 8 different government hospitals, but none of them admitted him. None of them. Government hospitals refused to admit him. Finally, now this paragraph I am reading, this one. Finally, he was admitted in a private hospital for treatment, where he received treatment. He spent a lot of money on his treatment because of the private hospital. He had to spend a lot of money for his treatment. Angry and upset over the indifferent attitude of all the hospitals. Indifferent attitudes. Government hospitals refused to admit him. The government hospitals showed whatever their problems, etc. Refused to admit him. Hakim Sheikh, because of the refusal for his we can say the treatment in government hospitals, Hakim Sheikh and Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti, PBKMS, filed a case in the court. Now put a case against the government hospitals. The government hospitals, those who refused to admit him for his treatment. Now he filed a case against such a government hospitals in a court. Now here you can see the story and try to understand. And next paragraph we'll see in next clip.